My name is Chris Straightline. I live in Warsaw, New York, and I am currently a senior in high school. I applied to Clarkson University and have recently been accepted through early decision, and I am really excited about that. The passion of helping others is a big deal to me. Specifically, I want to help out with accessibility. My grandfather has always had a hard time with mobility, which affects his accessibility, and I have seen his struggles in many situations. He usually walks around with a cane or walker, but as you can see here, he got around Universal Studios by using a mobility scooter. One big idea I came up with to help with the idea of accessibility is a way to surgically replace muscles and joints. This could help people with walking again. Another part of this could be replacing nerves. This would allow people to walk again and not have to worry about the thought of having trouble using stairs. I see this issue every day where I work. I currently work at Spotlight Theater, and sometimes we have to tell people that theaters 2 and 3 are not handicap accessible. This surgical idea could help with that. The theater I work at is in a small rural community and was built 75 years ago. When the theater underwent renovations 5 years ago, theaters 2 and 3 were built to become handicap accessible. However, the cost of the two wheelchair lifts turned out to be too expensive at a price tag of $25,000 each. This sparked the idea of affordable accessibility, removing the limitations of cost and making more areas accessible. This could come in the form of cost-effective lifts or easy-to-install lift chairs that go up and down stairs but take up less room than current models, since space is also a problem at the theater. This would greatly help in small communities that want to give patrons access in big city life but do not have the financial resources to do so. Another accessibility issue I have dealt with is the experience of canoe portaging. While at Northern Tier, which is a high-adventure scout camp located on the boundary waters of Minnesota, we had to portage 80-pound canoes across dryland areas from 100 feet to a mile in length. To go on this trip, you had to be a certain age and physical condition to complete it, not to mention being able-bodied. An idea I had come up with is a new material made with chemical engineering that is sturdier and lighter that could help a person who has strength issues. This way, people that could not carry a canoe by themselves before now could potentially lift them. Working with mechanical and civil engineers and adaptation for a lightweight way to have stowable arms that come out and extend to be able to push the canoe across the land and still be able to go over the rocky terrain could help those with limb and back issues. I cannot wait to become a student at Clarkson University, where I may be able to help or create one of these ideas as well as so much more.